More than 90% of you guys are not subscribed. So please hit that subscribe button because it helps out the channel a lot and it would mean the world to me.
Sur Opérateur, c'est pas ce qu'il y a de plus opti.
Ah, c'est clair.
Mais le fait de pouvoir être intangible peut aider aussi à sortir.
Oh, le timing de Loki, malheureusement, qui a pas été regardé du bon côté. Et on se fait enfumer les uns après les autres. Ziwo, le one tap. Mais il y a du revenge partout et on va arriver en balle
Ziwo
pour défendre.
Ziwo peut-être le deuxième. Socre.
Ah oui.
Petit tapping là vers la caisse sur, sur le bridge des Rogue Esports. Oh, le deuxième.
Hey agents, welcome back to another episode of Valorant Flavors. Today we got you the best play that dominated European tournaments. So get ready and enjoy this video.
You shocked us, Mr. Plant, and we have seen Aftershock, Mr. Plant.
Hello, baby.
Va aider Roden, très agressif, qui tente. Oh là là, -2, -3, -8, -8000, c'est un -2 pour Roden, qui est récompensé.
Il a clairement bien lu le jeu ici. Attention, c'est du 5 contre 2 contre 3 maintenant. Est-ce que ça vaut le coup d'aller chercher un peu plus loin? Mais bien sûr que oui. Ah, il veut son ace. Regardez là. Oh, le cochon, il va jusqu'au bout.
Get artists to these positions, try and get him more proactive, even against pistols, which is kind of scary. Mixwell showing, do not fear, guys. I have the frenzy. I'm fine.
We're going to talk a little on the previous map about that conditioning. This is G2 doing what I say they love to do, which is set the pace, set the aggression, make them scared.
Ouh, c'est propre ça, de la part de Apo. On punit. Bon vieux Tidus qui avait pris la téléportation.
Il y a du monde.
30 seconds left.
Un flanking intéressant du côté de Loki qui est au niveau du City. Il va pouvoir s'insérer, il va mettre de la pression, permettre de laisser de l'espace peut-être à Apo qui va prendre un premier kill sur Gats. Derrière Loki, prend un deuxième sur NRK. On est reclus dans la Hookah pour Rogue.
Et il a enfin récupéré le Spike qui était là au bord de la fenêtre dans la pire des positions. Et là il va se faire surprendre. Peut-être le cri 3.
But Chihuahua backside still alive. He's good for 2. He's looking for more. Watch Chihuahua. He's got a 3K from backside and a 4K.
Dans un premier instant, pour pouvoir avoir les premières informations, Kelox qui va remporter son duel ici. Oula. Face à Newzera. Oh, attention, Auriac qui envoie
double tête.
Le double shot. Attention, c'est Sheriff qui peut faire la différence. Auriac toujours présent sur ce B. Attention de ne pas se faire contourner. Il essaye de se mettre au contact ici. Il y a des joueurs juste derrière le mur. Est-ce qu'il va avoir le timing pour se reprendre? Il continue. Le triplé. Auriac, il est trop chaud. Il pourrait peut-être même encore enchaîner. Oh là là, Auriac.
Reggie aren't going to have an easy time getting in here.
No. It is going to be a longer rotation, though, for the defending players towards middle, because that wall's still there for now. But Angel is the biggest problem they have. Oh, he lines him up, he knocks him down.
Est-ce que c'est des ultis avec lesquels on peut faire quelque chose? Oui, avec une relocalisation, mais Gatch ici, qui a complètement anticipé par contre le play. On lui a fait 3 fois ce coup-là, le wall middle pour aller réorienter sur B. Je ne crois pas. Doublé et inversion complètement du, du chiffre hein, et de l'opposition numérique ici, puisque c'est maintenant un 4 contre 1. Gatch qui va de son triplé, qui va de son quadruplé.
He sees one. But hold on, what does he do? What does he do? Does he take the prize? You wait for the other players to come by. There's one up close now, and a second kill. The Smith's out of there. He's still alive. 2 kills. Looking for more 3. Element, you absolute monster.
Knockout on niezwykle istotny dla swojej formacji. No i teraz Almo łapie eliminację. Omen po skramie Omena i Almo też bardzo, bardzo ważny w tym starciu. Raz jeszcze znajduje fraga. 2-1-3-7. Pożegnam się z życiem.
No jazda bardzo powoli podchodzi do tego odbijania. Nie wiem, czy tego czasu im w konsekwencji nie zabraknie, ale Kant z fragiem, no i teraz czas przyspieszyć. Arkadyx pozostaje sam na przystani. Z jednym fragiem Arkadyx, zaraz dwa. Arkadyx kontra...
Kriegon doesn't really want to take that fight, right? You're pushing through short, close range. It's where these pistols thrive. Logan! Come on, man! He's going out for more and 3 headshots!
Terrible, terrible. Et là, ils vont essayer de fondre sur leurs adversaires. Il est très très bon. Il est très très bon.
Plus que 30 secondes.
Allez,
il est très très bon.
Allez, Diwoo.
Allez,
Oh! Work from at first strike, which is why I'm excited about seeing this new look Liquid. It's a team unit now. They can synergize around it and they're enabling Scream. Hold that thought. Actually, FBX. Straight through, this paranoia is going to be huge. Actually, Zipan's going to find Eccles first of all. Cryptix needs to hold the line. He finds 2. The third as well. Angel falls. Cryptix going huge.
Don't love that. Just gives himself up. No trade comes through either. That's a rifle recovered. But luckily, his teammates are just snapping around. Front side, making it look real easy.
Avec Loki
aux premières loges? Est-ce qu'on attend que la smoke s'évacue? Non, on prend position et on attend de voir. S'il n'y a pas un adversaire qui vient voir ce qui s'y trame, c'est Boo qui est aux premières loges ici, qui va se faire courir dessus par un Loki bien inspiré qui va trouver la tête une fois de plus.
Attention à Happy. Ouais, il gagne du temps, Happy, il perd son coéquipier. Ah,
Oh, Loki
il a pas la vengeance. Loki en triplé. Défaillance d'Happy sur le revenge. Et Loki en quadruplé qui continue et chope Woody. Il va peut-être choper le quintuplé ici. Il y a un client. Je crois qu'il ne l'a pas vu. Mais il s'en méfie, il a compris. Loki, le quintuplé!
Does catch a little bit of a team flash there. Doma will find Nico. Or he will find a constellation kill, but with that clock ticking down, I think it's just economy damage that he's going to be looking to do. Find another one as well. That's Stinger. Okay.
To go for this retake, and they're frantically trying to come back in now. Eric, oh my god, he's gonna blow him down with 3. Perfect timing on the peak. You just said no abilities were gonna get it done, but how about a little gunplay? A big brain timing from Eric, and now there's a chance for Nopenki to still hang on. They have little cover, but they're still delivering a quarter HP and a double in from Zadit.
On sait ce qu'il a, mais on n'arrive pas à le déloger de cette lampe. Impossible.
Ça y est, bah là voilà, c'était un peu l'idée là sur cette ultimate, sauf que Yuna a littéralement échappé à cette ultimate.
Incroyable.
Parce qu'on a dû regarder un petit peu la fenêtre et les icônes, on s'est dit mais attends, il y a un breach ultimate là, on n'a pas l'information en B, ils vont peut-être accélérer et actionner en A, et le one qui accumule 3-4
Alliance? So they first clear out with a nade towards back yellow to secure that control, open an angle to fight on, and Muri on the raise, dominating on those duels with a ghost headshot delivered again, finishes with a body, and it's now a 1v3 unwinnable.
Ah bah là, il commence un petit peu à
pouvoir,
s'avancer. Ouais.
il commence. Il a la vision du drone, il va prendre un premier kill, un deuxième, un
troisième. Il trouve des têtes.
Back through bottom mid. But everybody knows. Pops ult. Yeah, they're going to try to scramble him back. Oh, double dash from Scream, getting pips in. And now on the site itself, they've got one player. Happy, gonna use the showstopper. That could be huge! 2 off of the rocket, but Link coming in with the quick flank doesn't clear his corner.
Some work there in that spec, long distance.
So they walled it off, right, to go in for the plant.
Yeah.
So that whole way down to Bath was completely clear. And it looked like Looker was going to go for the full flank around, but he's decided to commit with his team. That's through the smoke.
No, they're on it though. Oh! Scream and Link! They're delivering headshots, but they got to get him off the spike defuse. It's not going to work out.
He's just... Gorgeous work.
Odin. The Odin, such a well-bought round. The paranoia, triple paranoia, easy kills. Oh my god, Unco!
Attention.
Bon, ils sont vus. Par contre, attention.
Revu. Et premier pic, évidemment la jet. Hein.
Ah, ils ont piqué à 2 sans réfléchir.
Oh, la Stinger qui malheureusement fera pas blanc feu.
Allez,
il arrive comme un erreur V1.
Il va faire un death.
Un deuxième peut-être, non.
Nice. Il a Guardian.
Oh, dommage.
Classique. Au niveau de la
tête. One hit to any weapon. Unco, the one to take down Leo, is Element. That could be the kill he needs. There's the heal. He's being spammed, but he gets another. Double healed up now. 150 health. Element, absolute beast. One after another, they fall to him. The spike now being diffused. They have to stick it, and Element takes the 4th, wins the round.
Oh my god.
Oj, oj, ale to niefortunne dla Kereme.
Ale Morfan z Mołotowem.
Eliminację.
No i zaraz ostrzał orbitalny poleci. Doskonale wiedzą o tym zawodnicy dzisiaj, bo oni chcieli wywołać właśnie to jak najszybciej, żeby Morfan wykorzystał Morfan!
Wow!
Secret de l'Institut qui est sorti du coup, le premier kill de prix c'est fait. Dietz malheureusement qui rate sa balle. Il reste 50 secondes, on a tout le temps qu'on veut du côté de Ziwompen. Voilà, aller se téléporter en B si on veut assurer le plant, ou bait simplement. Et non, on va finalement aller en B.
Les pros ne bait
pu,
pas.
genre. Pros don't fake.
Exactement.
On aurait pu bait, c'est TP sur place et aller en A, ou alors TP sur le A, mais finalement on décide d'aller en B.
Et du coup, ils les font BP, classico-classique.
On bait derrière, double TP qui a été faite ici. On est timide, hein. On sait que du côté de Rock que ça peut être dangereux hein, d'aller chercher le joueur. Essayer d'accélérer.
Ok, on va quand même y aller. Carcassonne, tempête de l'âme qui va réussir à esquiver cette première réplique. Ça va directement trancher au niveau des kunai. On va toucher mais pas tuer. On fake diffuse. On attend son adversaire qui a très peu de points de vie. Deuxième fake.
Ah mais là il fait des bruits de pas, il faut refake, et au moment où il va refake on décale, c'est logique. Le kill de plus pour Karkas sur un joueur qui a peu de points de vie, il le savait. La fumigate, la fin de désamorçage. L'adversaire qui est mort pas, c'est Firos, il a mis sa recon, et Firos qui est battu.
They are now all bundled in the double doors area. Oh no, this is not good.
The difference between this and the last one is they still have Paranoia on now. It's still active because they spotted the backside with the Sova. That's going to be huge potentially. Kriagon takes down Zeke. The push is on its way. No, hype. Nico, hold on. He's pulled it back at 3K and he gets it all the way.
Elle est nouvelle, c'est Valorant. Chihuahua semble déborder. Pas du tout le doublé. Il est là. Il prend le temps de recharger mais il a perdu Créa. Hop là.
Oh là là.
Quel voyeurisme.
Il est partout. Il est partout. Il a vu la tête de Mixwell ici. On attend le capitaine évidemment. On a l'information.
Pourquoi elle n'a pas brisé le mur là? Oh, il y a un trou.
Exactement. Et il ne le savait pas, Patitech. L'ultimate qui était agencé, il a agencé, il a été cancel.
Je crois que c'est cancel.
Ça a été cancel.
Pas d'accord avec ça parce qu'il avait lancé le chapeau.
Oui, complètement. On a entendu le bruit, tout était là. Et Mixwell qui tombe.
JD? Oh, doesn't get them both. With him falling, this becomes very difficult to hold on to, and they just fall like down the nose. Mixwell, good for one, good for two. Over to the Ghost now, looking for that 110 headshot. Dashes out onto site, but it's being stuck, at least for now. Almost the full way, but down he goes.
Moins de pertes, sauf si Zipan rate son duel. On regardait son coéquipier, notamment au niveau de Windows, je pense, et Coles qui va rencontrer le viseur d'Angel. Oh la paranoïa. On va profiter de ce temps pour TP, c'est intéressant, il ne reste que Shadow.
Je sais pas s'il a entendu, il a pas entendu, je crois qu'il était aveuglé. Oh, il était aveuglé.
Mystic though with the pain cells. Now Boaster swings out, he's only good for one. Avova finds that trade, summon now down to 3.
Nice pick there from Doma though, keeping poor at least held back for now, gets another, that spike down. And now looking at LOL, the flank is coming from Niso though. It's so far away, but he's going to be good for at least one. He needs information. This could be a disaster. Keep your eyes on the flank. Get to Niso right now. He is going to find one and potentially two. Oh wait, Mo almost turned that. But now it's a 1v2. Doma, what can you do about this? You've got a player behind you. You've got a player in front of you.
Lowell should about have 5 seconds until his heal's back online, so keep an eye on that because he's low HP right now. There you go. It's just gone. Now Doma finds himself in a really tricky situation. 1v2, both players back up to reasonable health. He finds that headshot on the first. Niso swings out.
Time. He's playing the time so well. He goes above Doma!
Tutaj widzimy absolutny majstersztyk, jeśli chodzi o umiejętności strzeleckie. No i zarówno zawodnicy balisty, jak i pitstopu strzelają niesamowicie dobrze. A teraz Kereme z kolejnym fragiem zostaje sam Kato. Flash 1 na 2. No i zobaczmy.
Oj, użyj tego ultimate'a, kolego, leci do przodu i trafia Kato! Czwarta eliminacja dla niego, to może być ace!
Uzun tarafında sanırım ultisi var mı emin değilim. Ultisi varsa bu Spike'ın çözülmesinin önüne geçebilir. Orada drone'uyla beraber de kısa tarafından bilgi alacak. Rip'in pozisyonu da oldukça iyi. Uzundan gelen birilerini vurabilir ama kısa tarafını kontrol etmesi lazım orada takım arkadaşlarının. Oraya Mini bakıyor. Şu an 3 kişi Heaven tarafından atlayacaklar. Dedik içeriye atladı. Rip bir tane buldu. Mini ikincisini de bulmayı başarıyor. Rip bir tane daha vuruyor. Rip üçüncüyü de vurmayı başardı. 3'e 1'e getirdi roundu bir anda. Ve son oyuncu Duex hayatta kalan Mozi tarafından. Onu da bulmayı başardı.
See what damage it does. Nade goes in. Bit of chip damage, not a lot. Angel on the switch up, looking for a new angle to play with. It's Scream at the top here. Scream is still so precise, man. He's against like pistols and what have you, but he's making it look like they're not even there.
Longuement qui finit par s'engager pour un kill. Un deuxième. Oh, le one tap est superbe. Il obtient 2 points d'ultimate. Et un troisième.
Ouais, bien solide, hein. Il y avait le drone en même temps, Somarcus qui tente quelque chose, et Lego avec ses 18 points de vie qui arrive à faire un kill. Attention, fly sur la hauteur. Le monstre. Et le son double sang.
There is no subtlety to what Liquid are doing. This has been very well noted. So they're going to hit against 4 defending players here. Nuki's eyes will turn for a second and that might be enough for Scream. It's not. And now he's in trouble. Suddenly he has to just take the fights and wins the fights. He's still... Oh! Scream just absolutely beheaded Niso. That is going to leave him ringing. Pora and Evolver. Just how are you going to come back into this? Evolver's baffled how this has just happened. Surely they had everything on their side, but Scream just did him dirty.
I love how active they're being in the post plant as well here, wrapping all the way back in towards Lamps, forcing both players, the Heretics, onto back site. Scream now just lurking, looking for an extra one. Now this one comes in a little bit because he saw the barrel of Over will fall, he picks out again.
Respectable. Oh, will they expect though? This is really nice from Mixwell, look at it. Tucked away in the corner, it's again. Oh my, how are they allowing this to keep happening?
Forced to fight, the man's got aim, but that's not been enough just yet. We need more. Shadow, that's filthy. God, they know just about everything. Zipan is there, and the site's taken. Every single facet and function of FPX right now, pound for pound, is better than Razor Edge in this map. I don't see a way back in at all on this half.
Now, 2v3 retake onto A again. Just a strong post plant here. One player all the way deep back in main. That's Shadow on the Sova. Two members now, they've walled themselves in again on site. So, only real threat coming from Elbow here. You can see Keeler's exploring it, but Zipan lands the first. Coleman, they're good for the trade. He might actually be able to stick this because the wall's up.
He's doing the best he can, and now the problem is Shadow's just hit the brakes for a second. Oh, Shadow! Ouh.
Oh, le travers d'un autre monde ici. Il est spoté, hein. Il est spoté, il est chassé.
Plus que 10 secondes.
Et Aegis qui dégaine. Allez, peut-être. Peut-être. Oui! Oui!
Grenade qui va les chasser, ça va faire gagner du temps et des points de vie à tout le monde. Compliqué, les Liquid manquent de temps, Shao sur la double élimination avec un Angel au contact. Et je pense que ce round va se terminer.
Tries to get proactive but loses out to Star. And now suddenly there's problems aplenty. This could be the first time we see Razor Edge looking decent here. And Angel's still going to dig his heels in though. He's not going to go down without a fight. Spike down, wall up, they're battling down the hatches. Rez comes in, they want CNED back too. But don't underestimate Angel. Never underestimate this player. Turns the flash, dodges the nades, but he can't dodge this one now. Looking a little flustered, but Shao's found too, and look at this crossfire holding. This is a disaster for Razor Edge. It was a 2v4, it was 2v5. Goldamenta though finds Shao, but timing. Angel, he's buying it, he's doing the dance, he's buying them time, and patience is going to be everything. Isolates one, he knows the second.
Attention là, Créa dans un transat, ce follow spike.
Et on se téléporte juste avant. Juste avant que Sova puisse avancer davantage, et c'est un duel gagné.
Pour une prise de zone assez affirmée, Takas qui prend l'information. On soulève, Akuma qui s'engage, Akuma le triplé!
They realize these guys are playing off full orbs. Well, that's just pre-nated. Chihuahua! What is that shot? After shot connect, this guy's a beast.
Not working out for Scream. They push right in. There's too many players for him to deal with. It's chaotic from start to finish. Lucker's trying to get the job done, and he's doing oh so well. Right on the corner, he's trying to chase Link down, but he's able to bounce away. Spike's on the floor, but it's still a 2 versus 3. Nicely done, Lucker. I don't think he was holding just to the left-hand side. I think he thought it was on the right. Kree now, he needs to not move from this position, but Fearoff. This could be the one that seals it for him. This could be the one that makes it possible. The revives come in, but are they still going to expect Fearoff in this position? The heals are being placed on as well. And Fearoff, the ultimate ninja now. The ult goes out. It's a crazy ult, and it's the timing. Oh, Link! How did he turn around and do it?
Quite some time now has been lowered in what it can take, especially when it initially goes up, it can be quickly destroyed. So I like the way G2 are trying to utilize it here. It's forcing them to play into their hands, and right now it's forcing them to play into Mixwell. No flashes going out, and Mixwell lands the first big kill. Nades are going out towards him, but he's picking on kills. Even dashes out to not take the grenades, and Mixwell, he's ripping them apart. He's feeling confident. He's wanting to...
That's it for today's episode. Share your thoughts on the most awesome tournament play for a chance to win $100 of Valorant gift card. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with more of our upcoming videos.